How to build your log futon. Please ensure you have the following items. Lay out your parts and ensure you have sufficient space to assemble. Fasten the hinges to the bottom side rails with two 1 1/4 inch lag screws into the pre-drilled holes. There is a left and right hinge. The hinge will mount to the holes on the back of the side rail with the spring towards the front. Insert two 1 1/4 inch lag screws into the pre-drilled holes on the front and back post on the side rails. Only screw them 3/4 of the way in to leave room for a bracket in the next step. Stand up the side rails and slide the brackets on the half-log stretchers over the lag screws on the front and back of the side rails. Now fully tighten all the lag screws. Place the front deck on the hinges and secure with four 3½ inch bolts, with a washer on the top and nut at the bottom. Place the back deck on the hinges and secure with four 3½ inch bolts, with a washer on the top and nut at the bottom. Ensure your futon works as expected. Your assembly is now complete.